But let me give him props on this. The back-to-school picnic and backpack giveaway that he had in parade was on a totally different level. It was one of the most exciting events I've ever participated in, and it was we think backpack is low-hanging fruit. But when we got to the park, there were at least 80 or 90 or 100 kids already in line waiting to get the backpack. So I just want to give Greg props on that. I want to give props to a couple of people. My wife, Thais, she's the woman that completes me. We celebrated 8 years of marriage on yesterday. Now I want to say 8 consecutive years of marriage. There's no breaks in between. And I think up until about maybe 6 months ago, we had never went to bed angry at each other. But you know, at some point, I gotta get some sleep. Okay? Nonetheless, we have a good time. Greg mentioned our Monday night piece, and I just want all the brothers who come on Monday nights just to stand right quick so I can thank you for coming. A lot of brothers we have a good time. We're just trying to become the man that God has created us to be. We help each other become better husbands, better fathers, better students. What we've been able to do is establish a culture where we have dialogue across generations. So you may have a 15-year-old brother in there, as well as a brother who is 65, and we're all in this room together, 35 to 40 of us, every Monday night. We're there every Monday night with the exception of the Monday after Christmas and after New Year. So you don't have to wonder, are they going to be there? We're going to be there. Amen? Amen. Understand, I'm a professor by training, but a pastor by calling, so if some of this comes out, and I apologize. I'm on safe space here? Okay. Brothers and sisters, it's a privilege to be here, and when I was walking over here this evening, I was looking at the crowd, and I said, boy, I think the activists in the civil rights movement would be proud of what they have produced. I think in many ways, we are the beneficiaries of civil rights legislation, affirmative action programs, outreach programs, and I think over the last 30 or 40 years, we have proved that we can become successful. Many of us have jobs we never thought we would have. Some of us have titles that require 2 or 3 lines on the business card. Some of us have expense reports. A lot of us got advanced degrees. So in many ways, brothers and sisters, we have learned how to become successful. We got that. You know, I was growing up, whenever we traveled, we stayed in the Red Roof Inn or a Days Inn. But now I notice that when I'm in the car with my family and we're traveling, I'm looking for nothing less than an